Motherfucker, man. What the fucking hell's this phone doing, man? My gosh, dude. I know it hadn't been that daggone freaking long since I've video recorded something. Daggone it. Well, I got y'all somewhat positioned. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this dude off, because I don't have my phone stand with me. It's a little hard to do videos and plus try to position y'all what we got going on here. Close this one notch. Alright, now we got that clamp out the way. There we go, got the upper radiator hose off. And literally, you guys, it literally get somewhere. You stupid plug, sucker. Alright, now 5/16 socket. If you do not have the inner torque wrench socket, you got 3 bolts. Just crack one loose just then. There's the second one, and you do not tighten these like Hercules tight, because you will crack your water outlet, and you will have to go and get you another one. So I got it on the third one and just broke it loose. Once they're loose, you can just literally take the socket and the extension off, put it back on your bolt, and turn it by finger. That one's completely out. It goes mounted up right directly to the head, pretty much. And once you get them 3 bolts loose and backed all the way out, you come up to it and just give it a little snug, and there she goes. That's the old one. So we're gonna say out with the old, and we're gonna put the new one in. So yeah, it's bolted up directly to the head. That's the head right there. That's the port hole. You got a little one, little square, and whatever type of a shape you want to call that, like a rounded triangle or whatever. I'm not good with shapes, but that's where it gets bolted up at. It comes off very easy. No gaskets attached to the head. It's a good sign. So we're gonna take our new one, hold it, and take our old one, get all the coolant out of it, place it in there, and we got the new one right here. So try to place y'all where y'all can see. I don't know how good y'all gonna be able to see. If that wire harness wasn't in the way, y'all be able to see that pretty good. But y'all not able to. So do y'all right here. So y'all be able to see that. A video.
You want a ginger ale?
Huh?
You want a ginger ale drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get you some. It's hot.
Get your first bolt started. Now these heads are aluminum. And I know in the beginning of all my videos, could not stress it enough. Back it up just a little bit and you'll feel the threads drop in. Then you can turn them right to get it tight. That's how I was always told. So go to the left just a little bit and you'll feel the threads drop in, and then just start tightening them up and it falls into place. I've never stripped out threads, a bolt, or a nut by doing that trick. On the second bolt, go back to the first one, get it finger tight.
There you go. Ronald, you get you some water and drink this too.
Alright.
Well, it's hot out here. I know you miss your wife, don't you?
Yeah.
How's her daughter doing?
As far as I know, she's doing pretty good. Alright guys, so we got that water outlet bolted up to the head, all 3 bolts. So all we're doing is basically reversing what we took off, putting it back on. The heater hose goes here. The upper radiator hose goes here. The turbo hose goes there. And the coolant reservoir hose goes here. So we're going to pop this clip off. Pull that top off. And put this one on. And put your clip back on it. Lock down, tug on it, make sure it don't pull off. Slide the heater hose back on. Come on. Alright. Got that heater hose back on. Gonna put the lower upper radiator hose on.
I'll tell you one thing, I wish I knew somebody to just go in there mechanic that needed to buy some tools. I got tools and toolbox, and guy told me about $7,000 worth of tools. I got more than that. I bet I got about $10,000 or $12,000 worth of tools I'm gonna let go with.
Alright guys, what we got, everything back together. Put coolant in the reservoir cooler. Waiting for a flashlight to come to me so I can see if this has got to see if the radiator has a bleeder valve. And if it does, we'll bleed it, close it back up, put the cap back on the reservoir tank. We'll start it up, let it warm, and we'll go from there. See if it leaks or anything. Well, everything's good with the Buick Encore 2015 1.4 Eco. She's not leaking no more. Thank y'all for watching Barnum's Auto.
I need y'all, call you.
Alright.